Welcome to KAWAMALL. Today we're going to show you our high-speed dome camera. This camera is suitable for indoors and outdoor applications. We can rotate 360 degrees and 90 degrees vertical. This camera has an optical zoom of 37 times. These two terminals have the capability to use a joystick to control the camera movement and some security features. You have an RJ45 connector to connect to your network. And these two video connections are RCA and a PCN, and you also have terminals for power. It comes with its software on the disc, mounting screws, a manual, mounting bracket, and a power supply. Before you install the bracket, you'll have to pull the cords to the mounting bracket. You may have to pull the RJ45 connector in first, just because it's a small and confined space. Then you can pull the rest of your cord through. These two terminals is where you'll need to connect to the power supply and the camera. If you're unable to drill a hole in the wall, you can leave the cords off to the side in the slot on the mounting bracket. When you install the camera, just make sure you try to level the camera as best you can. We're going to unscrew the dome off the camera to get a closer look at the camera. In the software, you should be able to adjust the speed at which the camera pans back and forth. And you can also zoom in and out. As you'll notice that the optical lens, it will change. Once you get the software installed, go ahead and go to the DVR system and just look for search tool and look for your camera on the network. Once you find the camera on the network, go ahead and click on Add the Connect Server. Go ahead and open the Network DVR Monitoring System software. Click on the icon with the two people and click your admin and password. Your camera should show up on the list there, and go ahead and click on the Modify button. In this window, you can change the IP address and the camera name. When you exit out of that window, you'll come back to this screen and you'll want to highlight the camera and then go ahead and connect. And this will lead to this window, and highlight the camera again and transfer that into the right panel, and then click OK. Then you come back to the monitoring software and you can see that the camera is now functioning. You can also view from your Internet Explorer. You'll type in your IP address. You may run across an active X control error. Go ahead and run it and install on your Internet Explorer. You'll get a pop-up window. Go ahead and install on your computer, and then you'll get a pop-up window. Go ahead and click OK. And you need to go to the Internet options, and you need to customize the browser to allow the viewing. So I highlighted the three areas that you need to enable for the camera to work. You'll also have to type in the address for the camera for the trusted, and go ahead and add that. And then you want to go back and reload the page, and you'll see this window, and go ahead and click OK, and then you should type in your admin and password. And then you'll get a pop-up window to select your language. To set up the recording, click on the folder icon on the lower right hand side. Click on Local Record Settings and select the hard drive. It's ideal that you use a different hard drive than your computer. It'll start recording when you right click and hit record on the main screen. It'll start recording, so we'll just pan back and forth just to give you a demonstration. We're changing the movements of the camera with the little dial on the right hand side. And then we're going to stop recording by right click and turn off the recording. To view the video that we just recorded, click on the two left arrow icon on the right side. The window should pop up. Click on the Open File icon, and you'll select the specific drive that you saved your recording on, and click on DVR Data, and each folder is going to have a timestamp on it, and go ahead and search for the specific file that you want and click on that. And just before we're going to hit play, we forgot to select the video. Select the video on here and then go ahead and play it, and it should replay the video is just recorded. Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you again. If you have any questions or comments, please send us an email.